Hey guys! Welcome back to Love Samara. Today we are going to be going over a simple Korean skincare routine for your face. Before we jump into the specifics, let's go over the basics of Korean skincare. K-beauty is all about achieving healthy, hydrated and glowing skin through a multi-step routine that focuses on gentle products and nourishing ingredients. There are some common ingredients within K-skincare that you should know about. Hyaluronic acid is known for its excellent hydrating properties. Hyaluronic acid helps retain moisture in the skin, keeping it plump and supple. Niacinamide, vitamin B3, offers various benefits, including brightening, improving uneven skin tone, and helping with the appearance of fine lines and pores. Snail mucin, which is derived from snails. This ingredient is valued for its skin repairing and hydrating properties. It's often found in serums and moisturizers. Ginseng is a traditional Korean skincare ingredient believed to have anti-aging properties and is often used in products to promote skin elasticity. Green tea extract, which is rich in antioxidants, helps protect the skin from environmental damage and has anti-inflammatory benefits. Licorice root extract helps with brightening and evening out skin tone, making it a popular choice in products targeting hyperpigmentation. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps brighten the skin, even out tone, and protect against environmental damage. Now that we have gone over some common ingredients, let's get into the routine. Start with an oil-based cleanser to remove stubborn makeup and sunscreen, followed by a water-based cleanser to ensure your skin is squeaky clean and ready for the next steps. Exfoliation is key for maintaining a smooth complexion. Incorporate chemical exfoliants like AHA and BHA to bid farewell to those dead skin cells. This step should be done every week to 2 weeks to prevent irritation in your skin. Now let's talk about toning. Balancing your skin's pH is crucial, and Korean skincare often opts for hydrating toners to prep the skin for absorption. You may know about toning pads. Toning pads containing exfoliating or hydrating ingredients can be convenient for quick application and addressing specific concerns like uneven skin tone. However, they are not necessary for everyone, and their use depends on individual preferences and skincare needs. If you enjoy the convenience and targeted benefits of toning pads, you may choose to incorporate them into your routine, but careful attention to frequency and skin response is essential. Essences and serums are the superheroes of K-beauty. They deliver potent ingredients like hyaluronic acid and niacinamide deep into the skin, addressing specific concerns and providing a boost of hydration. Some popular serums and essences are the Benton Snail Bee Ultimate Serum and the QSRX Snail Mucin. Sheet masks are a staple in Korean skincare, offering a spa-like experience at home. Choose from a variety of options to cater to your skin's needs, whether it's hydration, brightening, or soothing. These can be incorporated into your skincare routine once a week. Don't forget to moisturize! It helps lock in all the goodness from the previous steps, keeping your skin supple and healthy. There's a moisturizer out there for every skin type, so find the one that suits you best. However, some good recommendations are the iUnique Centella Calming Gel Cream and the Beauty of Joseon Dynasty Cream. Last but definitely not least, sunscreen is a non-negotiable step during the day. Opt for a lightweight formula to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Some popular sunscreens are the Madagascar Centella Hyalutica Water-Fit Sun Serum and the Beauty of Joseon Rice Plus Probiotic Sunscreen. One of the beauties of the Korean skincare routine is its adaptability. Feel free to customize the steps and products based on your unique skin type, concerns, and preferences. It's all about finding what works best for you. As we wrap up, remember that the key to a successful Korean skincare routine is consistency. Take the time to pamper your skin, listen to its needs, and enjoy the journey to healthier and more radiant skin. Thanks for watching.